Kachumbari. Vegetable salad. Ingredients: 3 tomatoes, 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 2 carrots, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon. Salt. We will start by chopping the onions. Next, we are going to take some hot water and add in salt for the onion. Stir to make sure the salt dissolves. Start adding the chopped onions in the salt water. When done, set aside and cover. Step 2 is chopping the cucumber. Place the cucumbers in a bowl so as to mix all ingredients when ready. Step 3. Grating carrots. Add in the carrots into the salad bowl. Step 4. Chopping the tomatoes. Mix in the tomato slices. Looks yummy. Step 5. Slice and squeeze the lemon. Time to add the lemon juice into the salad bowl. We are almost there. Drain the salty water from the onion from step 1. Time to add onions into the salad bowl. Next, add in some salt. Time to mix all the ingredients together. We are done. The vegetable salad is ready. Subscribe for more.